Scientists and astrophysicists know how the Earth will end. The sun will run out of fuel, gradually expand, and finally eat up the Earth. But with this scene in the mind, it is said that the universe continues to expand forever and will continue to expand. But how true does this hold? Is it true? Is the universe finite? How will the universe end? No one knows the answers, but discussions have come up with three interesting theories. They are the Big Crunch, the Big Rip, and the Big Freeze. Let us know about each of them in detail. The Big Crunch is a classical example of how the universe will end. It is proposed that due to the gravitational force, one day the so far ever expanding universe will stop expanding and will start to contract. The universe will collapse back into itself. The final result would be a universe that reaches a tiny singularity, a dark reflection of the Big Bang. There was even some speculation with a big crunch could produce a big bounce right afterward, big banging a new universe into creation. Perhaps our universe was merely one iteration of an infinite string of big bangs, crunches and bounces. The another interesting theory is the Big Rip. As the solar system is expanding, the distance between celestial objects is also increasing. However, that is not the case with solar systems and galaxies. The distance between celestial objects in solar system and galaxies do not increase with the expansion of the universe. However, here gravity wins. Gravity holds these objects into place, but one day the solar system will expand so much that gravity will give up. It is just like expanding a rubber band, and the rubber band will break after some time. Similarly, the objects in the universe will tear apart after overexpansion of the universe. All objects, planets, and even atoms will tear apart. What will remain is nothing, and this theory of ripping apart of objects is called as the Big Rip. Big Freeze or the heat death is the third theory that suggests how the universe will end. This theory is very similar to the Big Rip, but here gravity will lose and objects and even atoms will not tear apart, but instead they would slowly become so isolated that they will be unable to interact with each other. These are the three ways the universe will end. But don't worry, this has many years to go. And by many I mean it. It's about crores of years. So don't worry. Stay home, stay safe while you watch our videos. And stay tuned with us by subscribing to our channel for more such interesting space facts. Thank you.